Okay, today I got in some glasses. Firemu glasses. Come in a nice, good packaging here. Let's open this up. Good case. You define your look. Well, the first thing we see, little user manual is explaining everything on the glasses, all the sites you can go to, depending which country you're in, to get these quite affordable glasses. All the contact info, and a 30% off coupon here, but there will be a 50% off code in the description of this video. Yeah, 50% off card comes in the case, so if you get another pair, 50% off frames. So let's open them up. Pouch. These are sunglasses, very stylish. Metal frame. These are style number S23080 if you want to get a set like this, but they do have many to choose from. It's got scratch resistant lenses, which is free, no additional charge, 60-day return policy or exchange, and a 365-day warranty. So wow, you can't beat that. Well constructed. Okay, let's try these on. Well, nice fit. Fit just perfect. Won't be falling off anytime soon. And also prescription, if I didn't mention, you can get them in prescription. These ones are prescription. Just send in your prescription with the order. Very simple, very straightforward process. Solid frames. How do I look? So once again, if you're interested in getting into some of these stylish, affordable glasses, these ones are only $54. Very affordable. And there will be a 50% off code and link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.